Good morning, children. How are you all? Yes, are you studying? Yes, पढ़ रहे नहीं पढ़ रहे? रोज थोड़ी देर पढ़ लेना बोल के बोले ना? Yes, from today we are going to start our EVS revision also. Come on, everybody, open the fresh page in your EVS classwork. Come on, open your classwork, children. Take out the fresh page. Take out the fresh page. All of you, take out the fresh page of your EVS classwork and write today's date. What is the date today, children? Today is 23-2-21. Yes? What is the date today, children? Today is Tuesday. 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 What is the date today? Tuesday. 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 Yes, EVS revision. Come on, write that. How I wrote on the board. You should not write third class. Write EVS revision. REVISION revision. EVS revision. Are you all writing? Write it neatly. EVS revision. Yes. In the EVS revision, the first bit is one word answers. First bit. Answer. 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 The. The. Following. 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 INN. One word. Answer the following in one word. Only one word you have to write in the answer. Yes. What is the first question, children? Yes. What is the first question, children? While you are writing, read. मैं कैसे पढ़ते हुए लिखा रहे, आप लोग भी ऐसा पढ़े तो आपको पढ़ना आ जाता, रीडिंग आ जाता. सुन रहे? Start writing along with me now. WHO. Neat writing. Who? WHO. Who? WHO. Who? Brings. 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 Letters. 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 Who brings letters for us? Who brings letters for us? Yes, children. Who brings letters for us, children? कौन लाते खत? Yes. చెప్పండి తెలుసా మీకు లెటర్స్ ఎవరు తెస్తారు మనకి? Postman. POST post. POST post. MAN man. Postman. POST post. MAN man. Postman. ఎవరు తెస్తారు లెటర్స్? Postman. Who brings letters for us, children? Postman. POST post. MAN man. Postman. After writing question, first fresh page खोल के EVS revision बोल के लिखे ना. इसके बाद लाइन छोड़ के answer the following in one word you write. After this, you leave one line. For every sentence, leave the line, children. Then write question. Who brings letters for us? After that, leave one line and write the answer. POST post. MAN man. Postman. After postman also, leave the line and write second question. Who brings letters for us, children? Postman. What? WHAT. What? Read. Read and write. While you are writing, read the spelling and write that. WHAT. What? Does. 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 THE. The. What does the tailor? TAILOR. 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 DO. What is the tailor do, children? Tailor क्या करते हैं? What is the tailor do? Stitches clothes. tailor क्या करता stitches. S-T-I-T-C-H-E-S, stitches. Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. What does the tailor do? Tailor stitches clothes. What does the tailor do? Tailor stitches clothes. S-T-I-T-C-H-E-S, stitches. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Tailor stitches are clothes. Okay? What is the third question? Leave the line after every question and answer. Question के बाद एक लाइन छोड़ना, आंसर के बाद एक लाइन छोड़ना. सुन रहे? Yes. हमारा third question. Third question. Who catches thieves? Who, W-H-O, who catches, C-A-T-C-H-E-S, catches, C-A-T-C-H-E-S, catches, thieves, T-H-E-I-V-E-S, thieves. चोर को कौन पकड़ लेते हैं? Yes, चोरों को कौन पकड़ते? Policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E, police. M-A-N, man, policeman. Who catches thieves, children? Policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E, police. M-A-N, man, policeman. Who catches thieves? Policeman. Who catches thieves? Policeman. Yes, children. I'm rubbing the first one. Are you leaving the line, giving finger gap and writing? I want everyone to write in a neat handwriting, children. Yes? If you write neatly only, your handwriting improves. Slowly, neatly. No one is saying you to write fast, no? Write slowly, neatly. The neat handwriting I want. After every word, give the finger gap. After every question answer, leave the line and write it in the neat handwriting. Now, what is the fourth question, children? Fourth question is, how many sense organs do we have? How many? H-O-W, how? M-A-N-Y, many. H-O-W, how? Yes, H-O-W, how? Many, M-A-N-Y, many. M-A-N-Y, many. S-E-N-S-E, sense. S-E-N-S-E, sense. S-E-N-S-E, sense. O-R-G-A-N-S, organs. O-R-G-A-N-S, organs. O-R-G-A-N-S, organs. Do we, W-E-V, H-A-V-E, have? D-O, do, W-E-V, H-A-V-E, have. How many sense organs do we have, children? Do you remember? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. कितने हो गए पूरे? 5. How many sense organs we have? We have 5. How many sense organs we have? 5. F-5-E-E, 5. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. SICK, sick people, PEOPLE, people. Who treats the sick people, children? Who treats the sick people? Yes? किसको तो अभी बुखार आए तो कौन करते इलाज? डॉक्टर, DOCTOR, डॉक्टर. Who treats the sick people? Doctor. Come on, write them neatly. One time you wrote in the classwork now. One time the same question answers. One time for homework. Okay? One time you wrote in the classwork now. One time is for homework. Yes? Again we are going to read them. Are you writing neatly? Give the finger gap between each word and write it neatly. Write it neatly. Leave the line after every question and every answer. Yes. Come on. Start from the first question. Once again reading. Yes. WHO. Who? WHO. Who brings? Put your finger, children. Where you are reading? Put your finger. BRINGS. Brings letters. 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 For us. 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 Who brings letters for us? Postman. POST. Post. MAN. Man. Postman. Who brings letters for us? Postman. Come on. Read the second question. WHAT what? WHAT what? DOES does. DOES does. The. THE the. What does the? Tailor. 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 Do. Do. What does the tailor do, children? Stitches clothes. STITCHES. Stitches. What is the spelling of stitches, children? STITCHES. Stitches. Clothes. 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 Stitches. Clothes. Yes. What is the third question, children? It is on the board, you see. WHO. Who? WHO. Who catches? CATCHES. 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 Thieves. THEIVES. Thieves. THEIVES. Thieves. Who catches thieves, children? Policeman. POLICE. Police. MAN. Policeman. POLICE. Police. MAN. Policeman. Who catches thieves, children? Policeman. So read the spelling of policeman. POLICE. Police. MAN. Policeman. Okay? Come on, read the fourth question now. HOW how? HOW how? Many. 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 Sense. 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 Organs. 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 How many sense organs? DO2. devote, W-E-V-W-E-V-H-A-V-E, have. Question mark. This is a question mark, question mark. H-A-V-E, have. How many sense organs do we have? 5. F-5-E-E, 5. क्या क्या है बोले ना मैं? एंटी सेंस ऑर्गन्स, आईज, नोज, टंग, ears, skin. All these are 5 sense organs. Okay? Yes. Now go to 5th question, children. WHO treats, T-R-E-A-T-S, treats, T-R-E-A-T-S, treats. Who treats? T-R-E-A-T-S, treats. Who treats? The, T-H-E, the sick, S-I-C-K, sick, S-I-C-K, sick, people, P-O-P-L-E, people, P-O-P-L-E, people. Who treats the sick people, children? Yes, who treats the sick people? Doctor. Come on. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. What is the spelling of doctor? D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Write them neatly in your class workbook. Write them neatly in your class workbook. And one time is for homework. All the 5 you should write one time for homework. Follow? All of them you should write one time for homework. Learn them, children. I am going to take slip test. Learn them. Okay? Learn them also with the spellings. No spelling mistakes. While writing also you read and write. Yes? While doing homework also you read them. Read the question answers 4 to 5 times each question and answer 5 times you read. So that you will be perfect in reading. Follow? మీకు చదవడం బాగా వస్తుంది చదివితే. రోజు అలా చెప్పేది టీచర్స్ చెప్పేది మీరు చదివితే మాతో పాటు అనుకుంటూ చదివితే ఫింగర్ పెట్టి మీకు కూడా చదవడం ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. అర్థమవుతుందా? Yes? Come on, write this. And one time the same as how you wrote in the classwork, you write the homework also one time. After that, you are going to take the photograph of the classwork and homework and send it in the WhatsApp group. Yes, if you send it to the teacher only, we can follow that you are listening to the class, you are doing the work, and we'll give you homework marks. If not, we won't give you marks for classwork and homework. Followed? If you do and send it the pics to the teacher only, you are going to get the marks. Yes, children? I want everyone to write neatly in your books. In your classwork book, children. Learn them, write them and learn them also according to the spellings. Everyone should be perfect in the spellings. See, sense organ spellings you can learn. Treats, sick, people. How many spellings you have using? Sense organs. S-E-N-S-E, sense. O-R-G-A-N-S, organs. Sense organs. Like that, all the spellings, new spellings are there, no? Treats. T-R-E-A-T-S, treats. Catches. C-A-T-C-H-E-S, catches. Thieves. T-H-E-I-V-E-S, thieves. Yes, children, you are going to read each and every spelling. Yes? Next time when you come to the school, you should be very perfect in reading. Practice reading. Daily you practice reading. Then only you will be perfect in reading. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you.